Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of this course. In this video, we're going to be talking about padding. Padding refers to the space between UI elements and it can be measured both vertically and horizontally. But how should we specify the padding amount? Well, if you want to use your own padding system, you should be aware of the possible problems that can be arisen. What do I mean by that? Suppose that you want to set the padding between your elements randomly. For instance, you set the padding between your buttons to 20 pixels and between your text layers to 22 pixels. What's wrong with that? Well, remember that we design an app or a website for different screen sizes, and it may happen that our design looks great in one dimension and messy in another. So because of this reason, most designers use an 8 pixel or 8-point grid system. What does that mean? It means that we should use increments of 8 to size and space out the elements on a page. In other words, any defined height or width, margin or padding should be an increment of 8. So when we use the 8 pixel grid system, our design will be rendered perfectly in almost all devices. Sometimes you may use different spacings based on your need, but remember to keep it consistent throughout your project. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. So see you then.